Are you tired of wasting money on Facebook ads that don't deliver results? Well, what if I told you that it's totally possible to create a strong Facebook ads campaign with only $5? In this video, you will find out what is the missing piece to your Facebook ads puzzle. Welcome to FrequencyClick, your go-to channel for all things business and entrepreneurship. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an explosive Facebook ads strategy by using $5 ad sets for both beginners and advanced advertisers. But here's the thing, to make this strategy work perfectly, you need to have a great lead magnet. Stay till the end. I'll give you more details about what it is and why you need that. But before starting, if it's not already done, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our upcoming videos. Let's get started. Why use $5 ad sets? Facebook ads can be expensive, and many businesses struggle to get a positive return on investment. By using $5 ad sets, you can test different ad formats, targeting options, and creatives without breaking the bank. This allows you to experiment with different strategies and find what works best for your business. How to create $5 ad sets. Step 1. Choose your objective. The first step is to choose your objective. Facebook ads offers a range of objectives, such as traffic, conversions, app installs, and more. Choose the objective that aligns with your business goals and is most likely to drive the desired action from your audience. Step 2. Define your target audience. Next, define your target audience. Facebook ads allows you to target people based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and more. Define your audience based on your ideal customer profile and narrow it down to a specific group of people. Step 3. Create your ad creative. The next step is to create your ad creative. This includes your ad copy, images or videos, and any other elements that will be included in your ad. Make sure your creative is attention-grabbing, relevant to your audience, and aligned with your objective. Step 4. Set your budget and duration. The final step is to set your budget and duration. For $5 ad set, you'll want to set a daily budget of $5 and run your ad for a short period of time, such as 24 or 48 hours. This allows you to test different strategies and iterate quickly. How to scale your $5 ad sets. Once you have a great lead magnet and have created your $5 ad set, it's time to scale your strategy. Here are some tips for scaling your $5 ad sets. Tip 1. Test different ad formats. Try testing different ad formats, such as video ads, carousel ads, or collection ads. These can help you determine which format is most effective for your audience. One moment please. Let's spread the knowledge and help others too. If you are finding this content helpful, give it a like and share it with those who can benefit. Don't hesitate to drop your valuable tips, suggestions, or inquiries in the comments section below. I'm eager to hear from you. Tip 2. Test different targeting options. Experiment with different targeting options, such as lookalike audiences or interest-based targeting. This can help you find new audiences and increase your reach. Tip 3. Test different ad creative. Try testing different ad creative, such as different images or videos, headlines, or ad copy. These can help you identify what resonates with your audience and drives the desired action. Tip 4. Increase your budget. Once you've found a winning strategy, increase your budget gradually to scale your ad sets. This can help you reach a larger audience and drive more conversions. So, I told you that you absolutely need a powerful lead magnet to enjoy this strategy effectively. A lead magnet is a piece of content or offer that businesses use to attract potential customers and encourage them to provide their contact information, such as their email address. The goal is to build a list of leads that can be nurtured over time and eventually convert into paying customers. Lead magnets can take many forms, such as ebooks, guides, webinars, free trials, discount codes, and more. The key is to offer something of value to the audience that addresses a specific pain point or problem they are facing. For example, a business that sells skincare products could offer a free ebook on how to achieve clear, glowing skin. Having a great lead magnet is important for a successful Facebook ad strategy because it can make your ad more compelling and engaging for the audience. By offering something of value upfront, you can grab the audience's attention and entice them to click on your ad and provide their contact information. This not only helps you build a list of leads, but also increases the chances of converting those leads into paying customers. In short, A lead magnet can be a powerful tool for grabbing audience attention and encouraging them to take action. By offering something of value, businesses can build trust with their audience and establish themselves as a valuable resource in the industry. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create an explosive Facebook ad strategy by using $5 ad sets for both beginners and advanced advertisers. Remember, the key to making this strategy work perfectly is to have a great lead magnet. By choosing your objective, defining your target audience, creating your ad creative, and setting your budget and duration, you can test different strategies and find what works best for your business. And by scaling your $5 ad sets and testing different ad formats, targeting options, and ad creative, you can increase your reach and drive more conversions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more business tips and ideas.